Next point is the coming of socialism in Europe. How the socialism feeling it is coming in Europe. Perhaps the pre-reaching visions of how society should be structured in was socialism. Means they're saying like that the representative should be the, and they never thought like that each and every people should get equal right to vote, like that things never thought. So that was maybe the starting thinking in the Europe, that like that was socialism. And the mid of the 19th century we can see the socialism was well known body of idea that attracted widespread in attention. Means many people started to think about the idea of socialism. And the socialists what they are thinking, socialist group they are thinking like that we already said about conservatives, liberals, radicals and nationalists. And this is the fourth group what we are going to discuss, that is socialist. So all these things may ask us one mark question, three mark question, differentiate between nationalists and socialists, all conservatives and liberals, like that question may ask. So the socialists what they are saying, they are totally against to private property, totally against to private property. And so it as the root of the all the social evil, social, all the social problems, it is because of the private property. Who is thinking like that? Socialist people. Individual owned the property and gave employment, but the properties was concerned only with the personal gain, not with the welfare of those who made the property productive. The people when we are thinking like that, the people those who are thinking about their own private property, they will make again and again property, and they are using it for their personal gain, never thought about the welfare of the people those who work for this making the property for this particular individual. If a society as a whole rather than single individual controlled property, more attention would be paid to a collective social interest. If the people property is under the one hand, and there is a chance to give more attention to the collective interest of the collective social interest, the common society what they are thinking, that is very easily. And socialists wanted this change and campaigned for the, means the instead of keeping the individual property, we want to think about collective social interest. The if the country or the government is holding the total economy or total income of the country, then the country can think about, the nation can think about the collective social interest of the people. Then they started campaign, means awareness program among people. Then socialists had a different vision on the of the future. They believed that the idea of cooperatives, they are thinking like that cooperatives, they want to make cooperatives, means the those who are working people, they want to come together and make the cooperative society. For that, Robert Owen in from 1771 to 1858, a leading English manufacturer sought to build a cooperative community called New Harmony in Indiana. The English manufacturer who started cooperative community, and that was known as the New Harmony in Indiana, means that is in USA, because that was the colony of British on that time. And other socialists felt like that cooperatives could not be built on wide scale only through individual initiative. It is difficult if we are making the cooperatives through individual effort, it is difficult, like that the people they started to think. In France, for instance, Louis Blanc 1813 to 1882 wanted the government to encourage the cooperatives, means the government want to take the initiative to make the cooperatives instead of, and they want to replace the capital enterprises. The capitalism want to stop, and the government want to encourage cooperative, like that. Who is saying like that? Louis Blanc of France, he is saying. And these cooperatives were to be association of the people who produced goods. The cooperative in that, the Louis, what is mean by his cooperatives? The association of the people who produce goods together and divide the profit according to the work done by the member. Means that there is 100 people, the 100 100 workers, and the benefit of the then they got 1 lakh rupee as a benefit, and it should reach this 100 workers. That was his idea about the cooperative. And we can see many cooperative societies here in India, and started sugar factories, paper factories, like that. Okay, then another one person coming, that is Karl Marx, 1818 to 1883, and with him Frederick Engels, that is 1820 to 1895. They added their idea and the body of argument, and they are saying like that. Karl Marx, he is saying like that industrial society was capitalist. When we are thinking about industrial society of Europe, that was capitalist. So capitalism want to be the capitalist on the capital investment in the factories. All the factories, it is started by the capitalist, and the profit it is going to the capitalist. The factory started and operated by the capitalist, so profit also going to the capitalist, and that is profit made by produced by the workers. So what he is saying like that, it should not be like that. The profit should reach the workers also. In condition of workers could not be improved. They never thought like that with this profit, how much they are getting every year. With that profit, they can improve the quality of the quality of the life of the workers. They never thought. Workers had to overthrow capitalism. Workers also was ready to overthrow capitalism because they suffered a lot. They was living in a that much pathetic situation, and they thought like that the rule of the private property also. Because of that, capitalists, they are becoming much rich and rich every day. Then Karl Marx believed that free themselves from the capitalist exploitation, workers had to construct a radically socialist society. What he is saying, so, socialist society want to start in the society or in the country. By that they can stop overcome the exploitation of the capitalists. Each and every point is very important, where all property was socially controlled, and this would be a communist society. The word new idea, it is coming from socialism. It is starting the idea of communalism, means everything controlled by community or government. That was the theory of Karl Marx. Okay, and it was considered that all workers would triumph in their own conflict with capitalists. They themselves want to start, and they themselves want to be successful in the conflict between capitalist and the worker. And the communist society was that neutral society for the future. They are saying like that in the future, this communist society only going to be gain something good for the people. Next topic, that is support for socialism. Which peoples they are supporting socialism, we are going to see. By 1870, the socialist idea is spreading everywhere in Europe, and it started to coordinate different things. They started to coordinate efforts. Then socialists formed the international body that was known as the Second International. In the time of Karl Marx itself, they completed the Second International, and in that the maximum workers, they are coming together, and they are discussing their problems. And workers of in the England, Germany, they began to form associations. Because of this the Second International, the leaders, those who visited participated in Second International, they went back to their own country, especially Germany and Italy. They started to make associations, who workers association, and they fight for the better living of the workers and better working condition of the people. The associations, they are thinking about the better life and better working condition of the workers. They set up funds to help the members in the time of distress, and demanded a reduction of working hours and the right to vote. Three things they are asking. First one, they started to make their own fund. They, because in the association, they started to collect fund, and that fund is using when the people, the workers, they are in distress. Second one, they are asking for the reduction of working hours. It was to 12 hours, like that they want to reduce it. And next one, right to vote. They also want to get voting power. when the election is coming in the country. Then the Germany, in the Germany, these associations work closely with the Socialist Democratic Party, with one of the party they are working, and help to win the parliamentary seats by they started, because of this, workers started to work together with Social Democratic Party, so they started to get a political means parliamentary seats in election. 1905, the socialists and the trade unions formed the Labour Party. They themselves started a new party were in British and the Socialist Party in France. Two countries, they are starting their own party. One is Labour Party, another one in France, that is Socialist Party. However, 1914, socialists never succeed in forming a government in Europe. The socialists, they never got a chance, even though different countries, they started their own associations, started to work with political parties. They themselves formed a political party, but they never got success up to First World War. They are represented by the strong figure in the parliamentary politics. Their ideas did shape legislation, but the people, those who are having this idea in their mind, they use that idea in when they form the new policies and laws in the government. But the governments continue to be run by the conservatives, liberals, and radicals. Means the nationalist group as well as the socialist group, they never got a chance to rule the country. That was the situation. So we are stopping here today, and your homework is read page number wow, means the first 5 pages of your this third lesson very carefully, and understand the concept. Then I will send some extra ideas related to the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.